All right, I'm Chris Biro, and I've been training free-flighted parrots for 17 years, since 1993. And I'm going to discuss a little bit of why free-flying parrots is actually important for the life of the parrot. The first thing, of course, to understand is that a parrot's body is essentially designed by the process of natural selection to be a flying organism. The animal doesn't even function properly without flight. There are parts of its body, for instance its lungs, that don't even function unless the animal, parts of their lungs don't function unless the animal is actually in flight. So when you remove a part of the parrot's life that is such an integral part of its existence, of its essence, you are essentially handicapping it not only physically, but you are also handicapping it mentally. The processes for which it develops, the sensitive periods for which it goes through developmental stages, many of these processes are not completed. They are interrupted if you do not allow the bird to go through the full flight training process. Many parts of its brain don't get the stimulation that it would normally get to develop its full mental capacities. So having an animal that has flight as one of its primary characteristics and removing that primary characteristic would be similar to taking a fish and causing it to live out of water and expecting to understand a fish. Without water, you cannot understand a fish. Without flight, you cannot truly understand a parrot.